Good morning, you guys. Welcome to episode 6 where we get a new road. Just got a call from Joel. He is telling me that I need to get out there to him and tell me I'm not wrong. Putting boots on for the first time after winter is like scary. I don't know if there's gonna be a spider, but I'm kind of sad to leave my quiet, peaceful office workspace to go out into the rain. But if Joel says I need to get out there, I'm coming, honey. I'm coming. I mean, this is a suitable outfit. No, it's fine. It's great. This is fantastic. Okay, we made it out to the property, and seeing a caterpillar is a good sign. I see more trucks down here. This is a good sign. So where the road ends is about where our property begins, and in order to get the last permit that we need, we have to extend that road. When I tell you that I am aching to get our permits, I just, yikes. It takes, like, it's been months, so it is really fun to see some movement. I'll let Joel give you the nitty gritty of like exactly why we have to have this the way we have to have it in his video, because he goes into like really good detail, and I just honestly don't know those details. So I'll link his video in the description for you on his channel. I can see the grade comes quite a bit down. Joel sent me a text and it said, "Glad I'm here, made a height change that saved our driveway." Tell me what that even means.
Initially the height of the road was going to be at least up to here, so we'd have to go down that steep of a slope for our driveway.
Oh.
We cut that deeper, and he's like, actually that'll be better because it fills that hole that was such a big hole and brings us down a little bit steeper and a little bit more level into our driveway. So
really, Joel?
It took him like 45 minutes worth of work.
Good for you.
Yeah.
It really, we're so grateful that we can be here every step of the way, because you catch so many things, because it was raining. You've been out here in the rain with these guys.
I'm so cold.
So our driveway will begin about here, and it's going to go over this way, down this way, and then straight into the house. So Joel was explaining more. The road is up here, and the road that he was digging was flush. And so you can see once he had it all flush, Joel said, "Oh, I think we need to come in and drop this." How many feet do you think?
Probably 4 feet.
Whoa! He's like, we need to drop this 4 feet so that it's a much more smooth transition into the driveway. And that's incredible. And it's so weird because I've been out here a million times, and then I'm like, wait a minute, there's like this like hole right here. So they've been doing a lot. It's incredible what you guys can do. We're back out here. It's the very end of the night. Joel, this just looks like dirt to me. Is it dirt, or what is it? Is that like a road base?
This is a step above road base.
Really? You can see they leveled it all out. I mean, they did a good stinking job.
Well, that machine is like,
so good.
he just drives it back and forth, and that machine will self-level the blade every time.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
So he sets it like that laser that's on top of it. He sets a laser right here, and he just drives, and it just every time. That's why it's perfect.
And when we got here, I was like, Joel, why is there a divot right here? Joel said that they're going to level that out with the so this is road base.
That's called tailings, and it's like old road that they crush down and recycle, and then they'll put it back down.
Nice.
For a top layer.
Nice. So when they put that on, it'll be a little more like,
yeah, they'll
level.
Smooth this, because this is the same stuff as what's in piles right
Yeah.
now. And it'll just all be smooth over there. This is what you put below asphalt, and then you're going to put asphalt on top of it.
Cool. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to leave what it is up here. And then when we dig out our driveway, it'll be the same thing as this, right? And then we'll asphalt it.
Yes.
So we want to asphalt the it's the driveway that'll go down like this and then down to our house. So they'll be here first thing in the morning. I don't think I'm going to get up as early as they are. because I'll be at home getting the kids ready for school and stuff. So the next time we come out here, this will probably be done. And then are they done after that? They lay this and then they're done?
Yeah, the road people are done.
Awesome. A new day, a new road, but the same old wind. To keep the wind out of my face so I can see, I'm gonna walk backwards and show you our new road, which is so very exciting. Woo! I am standing here where the new road has met up with the old road that was existing road that was here. I think they did a phenomenal job of leveling this. Wow, I really am incredibly impressed with that. This is the first time I'm seeing it. How level it is. It looks fantastic. Oh my word. I really am so impressed. I mean, I should be for how expensive it was, am I right? I think our guy went above and beyond for us, because when I showed you the first day we were here, it almost was like this was a ledge and then it dipped down, but he really made it look more gradual right here. So I appreciate that from the guy, because I don't think he had to do that. I believe our property line comes straight down this way and then it continues to go straight here. The road doesn't end at our property line, but that's as far as we had to have the road. And then we'll turn off the road and this is where the driveway will begin. So this is really, I am just so happy. Now that we have the road down, we should be able to finish applying to the last permit that we need. And so we potentially could be breaking ground in like the next month. I am going to close this vlog here in my vehicle because it is so windy outside. And when we first looked at this property, I knew it was windy because it was like winter, but I think what I'm learning now is that it will always be windy up here. And it's not too windy where it's like distracting to me, like it's where it's not like I'm like, oh, I hate the wind. It's only for filming purposes, okay? So maybe we're gonna have to figure out like a really nice like mic system where it blocks out the wind because wow, the wind is really inhibiting when it comes to filming. So I'm gonna close the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to our building process, I will put the entire playlist in the description below, along with the playlist from our last flip home, if you're unfamiliar with those. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.